Hello everyone. I'm a native Chinese speaker. My name is 007Learning, and I am excited to embark on a learning journey with all of you. Despite my proficiency in Chinese, I'm eager to start from the beginning alongside everyone, overcome challenges together, and achieve success with the HSK test. Welcome to our comprehensive Chinese learning community. Join us for a vibrant experience that will elevate your Chinese proficiency. Our services covers various aspects including free material sharing, essay correction, exam explanations, and resolving challenges questions. If you are interested in learning Chinese, please click the link below to join us and subscribe my channel. Thank you for your watching. Goodbye.